Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up personal blog on Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan. And if you want unique domains, web hosting, WordPress tools, all in one place, you're gonna be able to do it on Bluehost. Visit the link in the description box. Now, basically, if you want to set up a blog, you need to know, why you should start a blog. First, you need to share your story, monetize your passion, build recognition for yourself or your business, find a community. At its heart, blogging is interactive. You can build community of readers who share your interests, and the conversations in the comments can be just as valuable as the posts themselves. You will learn from your readers and create connections that go beyond digital place. All right. So basically, you're gonna be able. First, you need to set up a WordPress and get started. Now that you've secured your domain and hosting, after you buy the plan, it's time to set up WordPress and start building your blog. Don't worry, this process is straightforward. First of all, log into your Bluehost account. All right, you're gonna see the dashboard, and then find the WordPress installation tool. Right, and once you click the website, you're gonna add a site and you can install WordPress for that step. And then fill in your blog content, right? Add the site title and everything, and then select the domain name, right? And then access the AI builder if you want to use it. After signing up, log into your Bluehost dashboard. From there, you'll find the option to start building your WordPress your website using the AI builder, and then complete the upload. Bluehost will handle the rest. It installs WordPress for you in just a couple of minutes. So once it's finished, you'll get a confirmation and you can start customizing your WordPress site. So as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see your post, right? You're gonna see pages, appearances, right? Plugins and users and settings and tools and all that. All right, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.